Tired of complicated and expensive ways to send money back home to the Philippines? Well, get ready to ditch the stress because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you just how incredibly easy it is to send money to your loved ones in the Philippines using Sendwave. First things first, if you haven't already, download the Sendwave app from the App Store or Google Play Store once you've installed it. Open the app and create an account. The Signup process is super simple and only takes a couple of minutes. After signing up, tap Send Money. You'll then be prompted to select the country you want to send money to. Choose Philippines from the list. Now, enter the amount of money you want to send in your local currency. Sendwave will automatically show you the equivalent amount in Philippine pesos, along with the exchange rate, so you know exactly what your recipient will receive. Next, you'll need to select how your recipient will receive the money. Sendwave offers several convenient options, including bank deposit directly into their bank account, mobile wallet transfer to Gcash or PayMaya, or even cash pickup at select locations. Choose the option that works best for them. Now, you'll need to add your recipient's information if you're sending to someone for the first time. Tap Add Recipient and enter their full name, address, phone number, and account details, depending on the receiving method you selected. If you've sent to them before, simply select their name from your recipient list. Double-check all the details one last time to make sure everything is correct. This is crucial to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. Review the amount, recipient information, and receiving method. Finally, choose your payment method. Sendwave accepts debit cards and bank transfers. Enter your card details or follow the instructions for a bank transfer. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation message with the transaction reference number. You and your recipient will also receive notifications about the transfer status. And that's it. You've successfully sent money to the Philippines using Sendwave. Now your loved ones can receive the financial support they need quickly and easily.